Hi, everybody, and welcome to our webinar on AI-powered work order execution and ANDON software. This is a really interesting area of real-time work that's being done not only with traditional technologies, but with AI, and we're excited to show it to you today. We try to keep these short, 15, 20 minutes or so, just to give some value for your weekend and get you on your way. So you'll see here, you see the picture here of the ANDON board and the process. Let me give you a few slides overview, and then we'll jump in to show you some software. So Praxie, we basically take current ad hoc processes that exist disconnected between your core systems and these individual processes that are generally run in Excel sheets or verticalized software, et cetera. And we turn those into tailored automated applications that fill all those gaps and give you a total unified application and orchestration layer that sits on top of core systems. So that's what Praxie does. There's three things that our platform has that make it unique and capable. One is the ability to deliver tailored applications. So those gap apps, instead of saying, here, you have to use it this way, we tailor it to exactly what you need. We have an AI engine to do that, so it's very fast and inexpensive comparatively. And secondly is our automation capability. So we have agentic workflows that will do things like go look at all your real-time data and provide alerts, et cetera, generate reports, best practice suggestions, root causes. And finally, an analytics engine that does both the quantitative counting of all the individual items you want to count up, but also the qualitative work of root cause and suggestions, et cetera. We also support you with a full field deployed engineer who makes sure that your solution works exactly as you need it to work. I would say at the core, we also pull in data from multiple different systems to make these solutions work. It's one of our unique differentiators, our universal context engine that can aggregate data. It's unlike anything else in the market, and it allows us to pull data from REST API, SQL, file transfers, machine data, et cetera. And if you move this, you're going to get this. I won't go too much into this, but you'll get this PowerPoint access as well. And basically, moving from traditional ANDON tracking to AI-powered solutions has huge value. Just incredibly much more efficient. So I'll jump out of that. And the last thing just to mention is that if you're interested in this, we provide a free will prove it micropilot as part of our processes. So if you're interested in these solutions and you want to see them working in your environment, we do a no-cost micropilot. And if you're interested, talk to us after, send me an email, et cetera. Okay, so I'm jumping into the ANDON board, and this is what it looks like. There's no real data pumping behind the system, so it's not moving as it normally would. You'd be seeing these time frames moving, et cetera. But what the different panels in the ANDON board, this tracks whether you're on time for your target units of the day. Down here are all the lines, and you can see that you have, I think there's 15 or so lines here, which ones are on track, which ones have issues, which ones are really stopped, et cetera. When a unit stops, which I'll show you, it will open up an alert. You can see the alert issue, et cetera. You can respond. This will go by put, on my way or acknowledged and hit send. This will go right to the workstation. You can also use our connectors to support lighting or sound, et cetera, right on the station as well. And then the manager can actually address each of these as they go along. You have your overall production trends here. Here, there you see different lines and stations, and you can flick through them if you want here, or they'll move through on a, I think, 4 or 5 second time frame loop. You can also see any downtimes by reason and hover over those, and you can see your overall OEE, availability, performance, and quality. So this is the ANDON board. You also can have different shifts, et cetera. And if you go out of full screen, you'll see that you now have the entire menu of the application. So what I'm going to show you now really is about how all the information gets in and how the execution system works. So you have your work orders here, and these work orders can be organized by different lines or stations. So if I took a particular line and a particular station, you'd see the work orders that are in process here. And what would happen is the operator at that station would be able to open this up. He sees how many he's supposed to get 7 done, et cetera. You can connect this with our work instructions, which can be linked here as well. right there. And I will do videos on work instructions as well. But then the operator can start their tack time. That then goes through the process as they move and they finish one. It starts again. You can see that finish unit is down here. If there are any issues, you can log the issue. This is what triggers that log opening that I showed you in the ANDON board. You can select the different types of issues or statuses, etc. And that's how the process works. If you stop, it'll also ask for a tracking of an issue as well. So the station lead person is just operating on this time frame. And then if the manager sent back, I'll be there, etc., the note pops up right here to the operator to let them know that the line lead is on his way. You also can have lots of different views of the data. So here's an escalation list that shows all the escalations that are outstanding currently. If you have actions which team members are doing, they show up here in your action list. You can assign those to team members, and they get notified via email that they're supposed to do those things. You have records here of the shift, and this shows you all of the information of the shift records that are going on. The shift records are generally used on top of the tack time tracking, et cetera, to count up things like scrap, et cetera. And all of this can be either manually entered or pulled from data from machine data, et cetera. You also have the ability to set up the different lines. And in this way, this data is actually coming from the line setup. This basically, you can have the different lines and stations, and you can set those up here. The shift setup is for setting up the schedules of the different shifts. So you can see here start time, end time, breaks, etc. So all of this goes into the different shifts, and this helps you organize your tack time as well as the information on for the schedule that's going to come in as well. You have your routings. The routing will show you then this information is generally updated or uploaded as a file. So you can upload or copy and paste this information right in here. And this gives you all the information, the constraints for the production or orders and where they go. Your schedule can come out of our scheduling system, or you can just, again, copy and paste the schedule in here and or generate additional work orders manually. So with all that information, that's what gives you the overall layout of where the orders go to the different stations. You also have your tact log. This is showing you all the orders and or all of the tact times between every unit created. You can search by anything you want, product, lines, etc. You have an issues log. So this goes through all of the issues that were created and their current status, etc., logged, active, etc. You can see that here. And then an app description. So the workflow overall is to bring the schedule in from Praxie Scheduler or your Excel sheet, however you want to do it. That then generates, you can see here, generate my work orders. Again, that generates the different work orders based on the schedule and what needs to be done, puts them in order, etc. Then the operator works on these work orders, and then that all runs to the ANDON board dashboard in real time and updates this, and you can see it on your screens around the shop floor. The last thing I wanted to show you was the AI Insights. Now, what the AI Insights does is when all this data is being built and aggregated, et cetera, as the execution of your manufacturing goes on, you can ask any question you want here and click this agent button, and it will go generate you a report. So beyond your standard ANDON board running in real time, you can pull any information you want about your historical execution or any other question you have, which stations tend to have the most downtime, which operators are having issues, et cetera. Whatever question you want, you click this button and it will roll up the information for you. So that's at a high level how you can take a generated schedule from Praxie or a schedule that you build yourself on Excel sheets, turn that into work orders, and then operate your shop floor in a very cohesive real-time manner. So let me just jump back to the PowerPoint. So, if you're interested in one of these no-cost micropilots, reach out to us. You can get to us on Praxie.com and set up a meeting. We're happy to show you how the whole process works. And within a couple of weeks, you'll have a system that will be completely tailored to how you operate, how you drive execution, and there'll be AI supported. So looking forward to talking with all of you. Thanks so much.